Buenos dias, welcome to my channel. We're doing questions and answers to build your conversación en español, to build your vocabulario. And today we are booking into un hotel. La pregunta, the question, is ¿Tiene habitaciones libres? Now, tiene means do you have. It comes from tener, which is to have, which comes from the same root as our word tenant, the person who has the house. Tiene. Habitaciones. Now we have habitat, don't we? So it's a cognate. Habitaciones means rooms. Un dormitorio is a bedroom, específicamente. Habitaciones. Don't be tempted to say ha. It doesn't start with the letter J. It starts with an H, and that is silent, so it is habitaciones. Okay, maybe you need to practice. Habitaciones. And then the word for free is libres. Libres like liberty. And not to be confused with un libro, which is a book, or una libra, which is a pound. So, tiene habitaciones libres. Let's think about los tipos de habitaciones, the types. You could have una habitación doble or un dormitorio compartido. And compartido means shared, like you've partitioned it up between people. Un dormitorio compartido in youth hostels and places like that. Or you might have una habitación individual. Now that's like individual, but the sounds are a little bit different. So, escucha. Individual. In English we have dual. In Espanol it's a cleaner sound. Dual. And the V makes a B sound, so individual. Quiero una habitación individual, por favor. Bien. Now, ¿qué hay? What is there? ¿Qué hay en la habitación? So we build our vocabulario un poquito. First of all, hay una cama, which is a bed. Cama, 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 cami, lie on my bed. I invented a song to help you learn the word cama. Cama is bed. Hay una cama. And on the bed are sheets. And this word is sábanas. Now, if you say it without the accent on the first syllable, it's going to sound like savannah, which is grassland with some bushy plants in Africa. And that's not what we're talking about, because that's not in la habitación. You have sábanas. Sábanas limpias. Claro, of course they're clean. Limpias. Sábanas limpias. And a duvet maybe, which is like an eiderdown, edredon. Yeah, an eiderdown, well, in the old days perhaps that was your duvet. Edredon. Or posiblemente blankets, which are mantas, las mantas. And you might feel cold. Cuando hace frío, you might ask más sábanas. Sábanas, yeah, the accent on the sa, sábanas, más sábanas, por favor. Bien? Okay. So let's have a look at next at a really important word, which is can I? Okay? Because when you ask ¿Tiene habitaciones libres? Quiero una habitación individual. You're not going to ask what's in the room. That's just useful for your vocabulario. You are going to ask, can I see the room? And the word for can I is puedo. So you've got dough on the end, like dough that you make to make bread. And you've got where, which is like wearing something or where is something, and then a p. So that's going backwards. Puedo, going forwards. Puedo. Puedo ver la habitación. ¿Ok? O puedo tener más mantas, por favor. Bien? Okay. So these are useful phrases for when you are on holiday, de viaje, on a voyage, perhaps in el norte de España, in el Camino de Santiago, or maybe on the Pampas de Argentina. Then you're going to come across places where you need to book in and you need to say, ¿Tiene habitaciones libres? ¿Puedo ver la habitación, por favor? And let's just summarize so that you can remember those three things, okay? Do you have any free rooms? Can I see the room? And what else was I going to say? I want a single room. Quiero una habitación individual. Bien. I will see you for the next question and answer session in a couple of days. And I would like you to look out for the Pasos course, which is coming really soon to my channel. I'm going to teach you through the Pasos course pack. So get your course pack, visit the website spanglishfantastico.com, like this video, share this video, y nos vemos pronto. Adiós.